All right, everyone, welcome to our Unit 6, and this is week 2, and our story for this week is going to be Jim Thorpe's Bright Path. And this week's spelling words, we're going to be focusing on our Latin roots that are der and jet. And we have to remember that as we've been focusing on our spelling words this year, that some of our words are based on other languages. And so these two roots that we're going to be focusing on this week come from our Latin languages. And so the Latin roots that we have, ject and der. Ject has the meaning of to throw, which I'm sure you've probably heard before if you've read through our list we have right here. And then der, which you've seen in or on some parts of our words, has the meaning of hard or lasting. So let's go ahead and take a look at our spelling words for this week. And we have durable, we have inject, we have duration, we have reject, we have during, we have rejection, we have interject, we have objection, we have eject, and we have endurance. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. And again, we're going to be looking at one of our first spelling words here, and we're going to look at the word endurance. It's kind of one of our longer spelling words, and so I wanted to show you how we break it apart. Now, I've always told you, and I know it's been a while since we've focused on our spelling units because we've been testing, but remember I've always told you that we break our words apart like Legos. And so I can always look at them and I can always see that I can break them apart, and then once I know what they mean, I can piece them back together and I can get a new meaning. So when I look at this word to begin with, I see that Latin root der, and I know that it's going to mean, back over here, I know that it is going to mean hard or lasting. Okay, so then I can see that it also has a suffix, ants. Okay, and I may not know what that means, but I know that I can look it up in a dictionary, or I can use my online resources, which I always tell you you can use. Then I can also see that it has a prefix, en, en. And so I can also use my online resources or dictionary. And when I look at both of them, that I'm able to determine that my prefix has the meaning of provide with lasting action. And then my suffix, which is at the end of the word, has a meaning of, it means just action. And so when I put all three of those pieces together, and I, like a Lego, and my blocks, and I click them, then I know that this new word that I have broken apart and then pieced back together has a new meaning of provide with lasting action. So if I'm looking for some type of gear or some type of equipment that is going to be high endurance, then that means that it's going to be something that is long lasting. It's going to give me something that has lasting action. Okay, and that's something that you can probably relate to, or it's going to tie into this week's story in some way, so you'll be familiar with it. So as we continue working with our words this week, you're going to be paying attention to words that have our Latin roots der and jet, and you're going to practice decoding all 10 of your spelling words this week using the skills, looking for prefixes and suffixes as well, and using those online resources. So make sure that each day that you are studying your spelling words and you are using what skills you have, and I will see you later on. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now.